Hi friends, today we are exploring the significance of pandas in the analytical field on Olympics data. Yeah, you heard right. It's more funny and immense learning.
Let's go through it. First, loading the dataset. Uh, First, I'm importing the pandas. After that, we should read the CSV. So I'm copying the path. I loaded this by using this thing, upload section storage. After loading, I am copying the path, copy path, and I am pasting here. Control V. After the pasting it, I'm running this. It may take some time. Meanwhile, yeah, it has been uploaded. Now, DF is containing a data frame. Data frame is nothing but a table structure which can handle the data in the way we want. Let's see how the data is. df.head is a function which shows the top 5 indexes. Here the data is name, sex, age, height, weight, team, and all these things are mentioned. And some of the values, NAN is nothing but there is no value. Means it is an empty space. In this way, the data is we can have an outlook by a small outlook. After that, when we reach out, display exploring data, display the data information. In there is nothing but dd.info. Info itself is information. We are getting the information that non-null. That means no null values are there. But here, when we see that there are total 27116 and there is no null, that means it is purely having no empty values. But age has some empty values, height has empty values, weight has empty values, and others don't have. In this way, we can see some medals are also having empty values. Yeah, in this way, we can see that there is a chaos in the data. Let's describe the statistics of the data. Here are the statistics: count, mean. These are all the descriptive statistics. All the average, 25 percentile. This is the percentile average, and standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, mean, and count. All these things are shown here. We can use them if we want to. It's just I'm exploring the data. After exploration, we should clean the data because there are many null values. They should be set in a proper way so that we can utilize the data how we want. To set the null values, first we should know what are the null values we are having. So that I am using the missing values. df.isNull.sum. This gives the sum of the values. Let me know where the missed values are greater than 0 so that I only get the data which is having null values. The age is having 9474 null values and height, weight, and respectively the medals having. After we draw this map, we should think age, height, and weight. These can be replaced by their averages actually. Okay, that's fine. Coming to medal, there are null values because that they may have gold, silver, and bronze, and some null values are attained because they are not having medals to the players who are participated. That means the null value should be replaced by some entity that shows that they didn't got a medal. That's the proper sense we should have. And I'm replacing the age, mean, height, mean, and weight, mean, and I am calculated the means. And I'm replacing fill NA is nothing but the replacement. The value we want to replace is represented here. I'm giving the means of the respect to weights, and after that I'm giving the medal, the value of the medals having null values. I'm replacing with a no medal. In this way, in place is equal to true. It is satisfying the condition. After that, I am running this again. This time I am getting no null values. That means all the null values are cleared. You can see there is no null values. Now I want to see the clean data. So I want to use the copy because it does not distract the original data to see how it is now. So I want to code something like a df clean dot head. Let me show you. Yeah, now there are no values. You can clearly observe there are no medals is mentioned. Their medals are not gained, and all the averages of the ages are replaced, and everything is fine. Okay, let's go to the analysis part now. The analysis part is thing is I am only concentrating in the analysis on medals because the medals decides the Olympics ranking and everything. The players or country, everything is under the run around the medals. So I'm taking the medals as the criteria. medals of the country, total medals of the country. Here I'm using the function called group by, where group by is nothing but you can relate like this. If you take a group by, it will group the entities of that table with respect to some other whatever count. Okay, let's me tell you here, medals by countries, df clean dot group by t of medal dot count dot reset index. Here you can see like team is a group by, means the data is grouped like teams, means the team is nothing but country name itself. Here the country name is grouped, means there will be no repetition in country name, but the medals may repeat, right? So we get a team with the 3 medals and their counts. Okay, this is the format it is. Let me show you the same thing. Let me execute this first. It is showing like this. Yeah. Let me show you only. Yeah, here the sort second thing is the sort values is the function which is sorting the medals by sorting the values by medals. Okay, here the country is grouped, the team is grouped, the medal is nothing but count of the medals. Yes, the whole count is given here. I want medals by India, China. These are the Asian countries beside our neighboring countries. I want neighboring countries. I given neighboring countries India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, whatever it is. And from this, I am repeating a for loop, which is giving the repeating the same functionality for this team. Okay, okay. After that, in that 1184, only these 5 countries are taken, and we are getting the output. So let me run this. Yeah, here I am getting that team and medal. India has 1400 medals. After that, medals by countries, year wise I am getting whole thing. Actually, you can consider this time I am involving team and medals, the group by for the clean data. I am not involving any index, so it is showing the whole, replacing it with India, and I am showing only medals. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's showing that medal count, no medal 120. This is the data of India. Gold medal 138, bronze 40, silver 19. The thing it's showing. Actually, India has only 36 medals. Out of them, the summation is nothing but the repetition of the medals to the player. Calculate this. This is a simple calculation. It is a percentage. If there are 100 participants qualified for the Olympics through India, 16% of the people participated are successful in the Olympics. This is the percentage of success rate in Olympics until 2016. What the factor you want to show is medal. The count is of for the medal. Let me run this. Here it is showing in each year how many medals are being distributed. Okay. It's also show the importance of sport, which sport is more popular. Also it shows in the same way as group by. We are always using the group by. You can go through these things. I'm only implementing the ideology of how analytics is done. The sport is athletics. The sport mainly athletic sports are have more importance, and swimming also having, and gymnastics. These 3 are having more importance, and the medals team means country, which country is having. Here in neighboring countries, our neighboring countries, which sport is more famous? Let's come to our neighboring country, which is Pakistan. Pakistan hockey is having more medals. After that, athletics. After that, boxing, wrestling, cycling, swimming, weightlifting, sailing, rowing, airplane, tennis, table tennis, judo. These are the things which are having in neighboring countries. After that, gender-based analysis. Okay, a female gender, coming to female, the medals are like this. And let me check in countries, our neighboring countries. India, the female is 2241. Let's finally coming to your task. Here there is a repetition of this thing. Yeah, 60 medals. The heading is repeated. Your task is to remove the head. You should set head only one time and repeat the things for each country. Okay, you should remove the header. And the second thing is mention gold, silver, bronze medal received by individuals respectively, the count and rank of in that year. Okay, let us consider 2016 year, and for 2016 you should count gold, medal, silver with the participants' names and their games and everything related to this. You should create a table accordingly. Okay, after completion, tag in the comments that you have completed the task. Guys, thank you for watching till the end, and please subscribe, share, and click the bell icon. Get notifications. I will posting the videos, shorts, and important things you should get remembered in the journey of Python. Thank you.